Good morning students. Today we are going to start the topic equilibrium. In 9th term old, we have already studied the states of matter. To correlate this topic, we going to start the topic equilibrium. Before starting equilibrium, I want to ask some questions to you. Have you ever seen a girl while walking on a rope? Do you ever seen how she maintain its balance? कैसे बच्चों वो अपना बैलेंस मेंटेन करके चलती है उस रोप पर? हमें लगता है एक एक स्टेप बहुत ध्यान से धीरे धीरे वो रख करके चलती है. जब हम एज अ व्यूअर उसको देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है इट इज वेरी इजी, हाउ इजीली शी कैन डन, बट एक्चुअल में इट इज नॉट इजी स्टेप. The most of the things while working on that rope, the atmospheric pressure, the gravity and the temperature, all these things will influence its balance, but she will maintain its balance. So now today we are going to start the topic equilibrium that will correlate to that girl. What is the balance and what is equilibrium? Now today we are going to start. To understand this topic, I will explain it to you. With the help of this diagram. You will see that in this diagram, what you will see? In this diagram, there is a closed container in which a water is filled up, and you will see in this diagram the water is filled up and there is nothing. There is no water vapor in it. After some time, when you start heating it up, what you will see? The liquid that starts forming a vapors. That liquid starts forming vapors. Okay. That is very common to you. When you start the heating liquid, they will form a vapor. Okay. So now you have in today here connected a manometer. In this manometer, what you will see? You have already studied in states of matter, the manometer. Manometer, the level of mercury is equal in both the sides. When you start heating this liquid start forming vapors. Okay. So when these vapors will form, what will happen? These vapors will start exerting the pressure on this mercury. Okay, so when they start the pressure on the mercury, the level of the mercury goes up. What you will see? Initially, you will see that the level of both of the sides are equal. When you starting at heating up, the vapors are forming and these vapors starting pressure on it. And the pressure, with the help of this pressure, the mercury level goes up from this side. But what is the equilibrium? How the equilibrium achieve? You will see that you will still continuing the liquid and the vapors are forming more and more, but the level of mercury will not rise up. The level of mercury will not rise up. The level of mercury after some time becomes constant. Just look at here, you will see that you started heated up liquid, they will form a vapor. These vapors start exerting pressure and from this pressure the level of mercury goes rise. But after a time, you will see you are constantly heating the liquid, but the level of the mercury will not rise up. What is the reason behind that? This is the state of equilibrium, my students. The liquid going into the vapor state and the vapors are condensed back to the liquid. Look at here, what is happening? The liquid start heating and forming vapor. And vapors starting pressure to this wall, to this wall, to this wall, they lose energy and they condense back to liquid. So what is the equilibrium? The rate of the liquid to forming vapor and the vapor to forming liquid, that becomes equal. And that is the reason that your mercury level becomes constant. बच्चों हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि जब हमने लिक्विड को हीटेड अप किया, लिक्विड से वेपर्स बने और वेपर्स वापस से कंडेंस बैक होकर के थोड़ी देर बाद लिक्विड में आने लग गए, तो दोनों के जो molecules थे, they becomes constant. The number of molecules going to liquid to vapor and the vapor to going to liquid back to liquid, these state becomes equal. So this is now your equilibrium. Water, liquid and liquid to gas and gas to liquid. You have studied the equilibrium and understand the equilibrium basic concept. I hope so. Okay. So now today we are going to study about the equilibrium dynamic nature. The dynamic nature of equilibrium. You will see that the girl is while only the roping and only she is moving on a rope. But what you will see, what you will see there, the atmospheric pressure will remove its balance, the temperature will remove its balance, but she is maintaining its balance. Equilibrium is not a static state, it's a state of dynamic equilibrium. What is happening when you see that the mercury level becomes constant? mercury का level जब constant हो गया तो वो point आपको ये बता रहा है कि water to forming a vapor form and vapor to water formation, this becomes equal and this becomes constant. ये आपका process constant हो चुका है और ये आपका dynamic state है. ऐसा हमें लगता है कि उस state में कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, लेकिन उस state में maximum action होता है. Equilibrium की state वो state नहीं होती कि जिसमें आपका कोई action नहीं होता. Equilibrium की state वो state होती है जिसमें आपका मैक्सिमम एक्शन होता है. इक्विलिब्रियम क्या बता रहा है? नंबर ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स गोइंग टू वेपर स्टेट एंड वेपर टू गोइंग बैक टू लिक्विड, दे आर फॉर्मिंग दिस इन द इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट. So do you have understand? So I hopefully you will understand the equilibrium dynamic nature. You have easily understand the equilibrium dynamic nature. Now I will explain the types of equilibrium. Firstly, we will explain the types of equilibrium, the physical equilibrium. To understand the physical equilibrium, I will explain the topics to you. Look at here, the phase transformation. What is the phase transformation? You have already studied the melting and boiling process. What is the melting process? Liquid to vapor formation. है ना? What is the melting process? Solid to liquid formation. And what is the boiling formation? Liquid to vapor formation. You know about that. But what is the equilibrium occurs in that process? Today we are going to take an example. Just took it the bottle. I have took it the thermos flask. Thermos flask, you know that no, the heat cannot come out from the surrounding and from inner to out, from out to inner. This is the thermos flask. In this thermos flask, you have put in the ice cubes and also the water. Okay, what you will see? Initially you have opened the lid and you the atmospheric pressure is what? In the downward direction. What is the atmospheric pressure? The 1 atmospheric pressure. In 1 atmospheric pressure you have put in the ice cubes in it and also some water in it. Okay, and also some water in it. What will happen after some time? You will see. Just look at here. What is the temperature here? 273 Kelvin, the 0 degree Celsius and the 1 atmospheric pressure. What will happen? You will see initially you have put in ice cubes and water. As you know that ice has a nature of 0 degree Celsius. 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर आइस क्या हो जाती है बताओ मुझे? मेल्ट हो जाती है ना. तो थोड़ी देर बाद तुम्हें क्या मिलना चाहिए थर्मस फ्लास्क में कि भाई मैम आइस जो है वो पूरी तरह से मेल्ट हो चुकी है, यही मिलना चाहिए था मुझे, है ना. लेकिन मैं थोड़ी देर बाद क्या देखती हूँ कि मुझे जितना मैंने आइस डाला था उतना ही मुझे क्या मिलता है? वाटर भी मिलता है. जो मैंने इनिशियली डाला था वही मुझे मिलता है. तो ऐसा क्यों हुआ मेरे पास में? बच्चों स्टार्टिंग में हमारी आइस ने मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट किया. क्लियर? थोड़ी धीरे धीरे मेरी आइस मेल्ट होती जा रही है, लेकिन आफ्टर सम टाइम में देख रही हूं कि आइस और पानी का जो मास है वो कांस्टेंट आ रहा है. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? बिकॉज द इक्विलिब्रियम इज हियर. द आइस मॉलिक्यूल्स गेट मेल्टेड इनटू वाटर and at the same time, after some time, the water molecules get condensed back to the liquid, get freezes to that solid ice cubes. What do you understand? क्या समझा हमने? आइस धीरे धीरे मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट हो रही है आपके पास में. आइस ने मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट किया. क्लियर? आइस ने मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट किया तो उसने पानी बना लिया और उसी टाइम आफ्टर सम टाइम वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रीज होकर के वापस से आइस फॉर्मेशन कर लेते हैं. सो दिस इज योर इक्विलिब्रियम. नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हाट इज द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट? मेल्टिंग पॉइंट अभी तक क्या हम डेफिनेशन देते थे कि द टेम्परेचर एट विच द आइस मेल्ट्स, दैट इज योर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. बट नाउ यू विल सी दैट व्हाट इज द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है? द टेम्परेचर एट विच द सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड बोथ दे अटेन्स इन इक्विलिब्रियम. जब सॉलिड और लिक्विड दोनों इक्विलिब्रियम अटेन कर लेते हैं वो टेम्परेचर हमारा मेल्टिंग पॉइंट कहलाता है. आ रहा है हमें समझ में? वो टेम्परेचर कि जिस पर आइस मॉलिक्यूल्स गोइंग इनटू द लिक्विड स्टेट एंड लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूल्स गोइंग इनटू द सॉलिड स्टेट. दिस टेम्परेचर इज नोन एज द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ दैट आइस. आइस का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट क्या होगा? 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. बच्चों वाटर का फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है? वाटर कौन से टेम्परेचर पर फ्रीज होता है? 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. You know that now you will understand by the theory. Now you will understand by the